Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up an eBay payments method. Ready to start making money on eBay? First you need to set up your payments method so you can receive your earnings smoothly. And here's how to connect your bank account and manage payment settings through eBay's managed payments system. Now the first step is to go to the Sellers Hub. Now before we do this, go to the eBay website and make sure you log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account already, just click on register and enter your new account information and create the account. Now after you log in, click on the sale here to access the Sellers Hub. Now after that, click on let's go to the selling preferences. Click on payment here in the payment section. As you can see, there's a drop down menu. Click on it. See here. Now click on My eBay and click on the payment section right here. And here you can add the payment method. Click on continue. And you can add credit cards or accounts. And you can manage your checkout and other buying preferences. You can enter your bank name, routing number and account number. And make sure the account name matches your eBay's account name. Third step is to confirm your identity. You may be asked to upload a photo ID and verify your business details if you're a business seller. As for the fourth step, choose on how often you get paid. You can select daily, weekly or bi-weekly payouts to your bank account. And as for the fifth step is to add a backup payments method. This is optional but useful to cover selling fees or refunds if needed. And that's it. eBay will now send you your earnings directly to your account. Make sure your bank account is in the same country as your eBay registration and monitor your payout history in the Payments tab. And you no longer need PayPal. eBay manages all payments directly. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.